If you've been in a car crash in which you were a passenger, one of the questions you may have is, who do I sue? You could either sue the person who was driving in the vehicle you were riding in, or you can sue the other driver. Now, from a practical standpoint, it's going to be pretty uncomfortable suing the driver if that person is a family member or a close friend or even a coworker. However, if that person was at fault in causing the wreck, your only choice is to sue that person if you want a recovery. However, there are some instances where you as the passenger may have been looking at your phone or distracted or eating or for whatever reason just don't know who's at fault. In those rare instances, you can actually sue the driver of your vehicle and the driver of the other vehicle. In that case, you may be able to recover from both drivers. Ultimately, it's whoever a jury decides is at fault is the responsible party for your injuries and damages.